Thanks for choosing our product. This is infrared thermometer is used to measure forehead and ambient and object temperature with below features. How to use it? Please follow me. Turn on the thermometer. Forehead temperature. Press Mode button to choose forehead mode. Point the thermometer at the temple of the forehead about 1 to 3 centimeters away from the skin surface. Press and release the measure button. The forehead temperature will be displayed on the screen in 1 second. Object temperature. Press Mode button to choose object mode. Point the temperature probe to the object with a distance of 1 to 3 centimeters in between. Then press the measure button to take a measurement. Shift CF unit by pressing CF button. Press Mute button for silence mode, tracking of latest 20 temperature reading. In power on state, press and hold the mode button for more than 2 seconds. F1 is displayed. Then press CF button or Mute button to check the records. When F1 is displayed, continue to press and release Mode button till F3 is displayed. Then press CF button to change the fever alarm limits. The default fever alert threshold is 37.6 degrees Celsius. The thermometer will automatically turn off in no operation in 30 seconds. Thank you for watching. For more product details, please read the manual.